Sziasztok gyerekek, ebben a videóban egy birki nevetés nélkül.
Sziasztok!
És itt van velük Máté.
Do a light skin face, hey, do a light skin face, hey, do a light skin face, hey, do a light skin face, hey. Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Little did he know he ran into Juan.
Hey, babe, look at this.
I'll explain later. What's 9 plus 10?
11.
Really, nigga? Prank. Yo, hold on. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, it's a joke. It's a joke. It's a fucking joke.
Az mi volt? Itt van velünk Norbi, nézzétek. Csak fél.
Say, can my phone real quick?
What the fuck?
Én már ezt láttam.
You don't think I'll ever see? They're shoving in my home. Man, I don't want him alone. Yes, Lord. This is athletic. He struggles to lift the weight, but I got him alone to keep me in shape. This is glorious. Y'all thought I had to want him alone instead, but I got a team of pumpkin heads. This is authentic. She showers with Pantene, but I got one alone to keep me clean. This is life-saving. They almost drowned when they went out boating, but I got one alone to keep me floating. This is relaxing. Turn to the sound of thunder, but I got one alone to soothe my slumber. This is romantic. He struggles to get the ladies, but dating's a breeze in my one alone Mercedes. This is the most beautiful day. They got helmets on their heads, but I got one alone instead. Hey. Hey, where you going? Dance fast. Not that scary.
Egyébként most itt vagyunk nálunk, itt alszanak.
Az igaz.
Hey, I always spank my dough. Who's your daddy?
You're not my dad!
She's a beast. I call her mama.
Why are you so tired?
I've been hooping all day.
Grandma, you don't play basketball.
Ball is life.
You'll see the best. Hey, yo, my name is Eric Dunn, and my pussy is wet. Wait, what? All I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind. I didn't know anything. I just gave up. See ya. What's 9 plus 10?
Kimenni az ajtón. Hát ilyen egyszerű, megcsináljuk a dolgozatot, ki kell menni az ajtón.
Story time. How does it feel for the narrator to become the narrated? Very awkward. Oh, where'd he go? I'm done. Take your shit and leave. I'm requesting Uber right now. Would you like some gum? No. Bitch. Put your hands up. And they stay there. And they say yeah. Oh, I can't believe it. Gotta be kidding me. So busted. Watch out, for real. Busted or killer. It's cool, he don't bite.
Baby squirrel use a sexy motherfucker.
Give me your attention, baby.
What time is it? Look at the flick of their wrist. Look at the... Alright, put it on. Tell me what you hear.
Dogs.
így jó volt, azt támadhatjuk.
Watch where you go!
Challenge time. Yo, Lance, you think I get this egg into that jar without it cracking? No. You're right.
Baby, can't you see? I'm calling.
Shit, prank.
This song is called What I Want for Christmas. Money.
Just put maybe to sleep. Sorry. He's trying to. I don't care.
Hello. Story time. The young man sat there drinking his grape juice. I am a god, Brandon. You will bend to my will. Go ride your camel.
Go steal some shit.
Go blow some shit up.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Hey, prank.
Láttam a kulacsot, azt lehetett, igaz?
I'm surprised. See you, bitch.
Ow, David! Stop fucking following me.
Jimmy? David? Oh my God!
Today you meet your worst nightmare.
El cucuy.
No.
Chupacabras.
No.
Donald Trump.
Seriously.
This is it.
Sok. Na. Volt értelme? Mindjárt jövök. Volt értelme? Legorult a klóna izére.
It's a boy. Let me just cut off the umbilical cord. Sir, you just cut off his penis. It's a girl.
Dude, are you fucking pissing on me? I would never cheat on you. Just friends.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll come with you. She has a boyfriend. She'll wake up in a bit. Her.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the bitches.
Szerettem, de... Csók. De hagyjátok már.
Can we not listen to the
Kezdjétek abban.
Az egész délután te játszottál vele.
Azért már játszottunk Minecraftot.
Pont elmondjuk, hogy te játszok a saját világban. Ez a pusson.
Is that a lion? Yep.
My new wallpaper. Oh shit.
Do you know how fast you were going back there?
I would have gone faster, but you stopped me.
You're going to jump, what? Újat kezdtél.
Nem.
For delivery? Új. I am an adult. Új.
Tényleg.
Na, szerintem ennyi lett volna ez a videó.
Nem, mit mondom tovább. Igen, meg tovább.
Not again.
Hey, can we get a picture? Sure, why not? I've been a bus.
What? What? It is! It is him! Ah! I woke up in a Come on!
What's up, dweeb?
Oh, we got a problem? I'm out here.
Relax.
I'm in these streets. You feel me?
Chill. So is it any wonder people are afraid of equality?
Equality! Hello from
videó. Annyi lett volna, ami tetszett, írjátok egy lájkot, hogy iratkozzatok fel. Sziasztok!